Here are the top stories making headlines across Central Luzon. Agriculture damage in Pampanga has reached an estimated 34.24 million pesos due to the combined effects of recent typhoons Luis and Maymay and the enhanced southwest monsoon or habagat. The fisheries sector in Sasmuan suffered the biggest losses at 31.26 million pesos, while more than 400 farmers and fisherfolk were affected across the province. Nationwide, the Department of Agriculture reported more than 135.3 million pesos in agricultural damage, affecting over 6,000 farmers and 4,500 hectares of agricultural land. In response, the DA has made 106.5 million pesos worth of agricultural inputs available, along with zero-interest loans of up to 25,000 pesos and insurance payouts for affected farmers. In other news, a portion of the river slope protection in Barangay Santo Niño, Magalang, Pampanga collapsed due to strong water currents coming from higher areas. Local officials immediately carried out temporary sandbagging operations to protect the affected area. The DPWH and the local government conducted an inspection on August 11, with the damage set to be reported to the Central Office for urgent repairs. Meanwhile, Tarlac 3rd District Representative Noel Rivera posted a total of 810,000 pesos bail before the Sandigan Bayan for 9 counts of graft. The charges stem from alleged conflicts of interest involving government infrastructure projects. Meanwhile, the United Filipino Against Crime and Corruption, or UPAC, questioned the absence of plundered charges against Rivera, which were part of the group's original complaint before the Ombudsman involving billions of pesos worth of flood control projects. The Bases Conversion and Development Authority held stakeholder consultations on the planned industrial expansion of New Clark City. BCDA President and CEO Joshua Bincang highlighted the potential economic benefits of the development to local government units across Central Luzon. However, details of the investment plans remain undisclosed pending final agreements with prospective investors. Meanwhile, UPAC President Pyra Lucas endorsed proposed Senate and House inquiries into New Clark City land developments. The group is also calling on the BCDA to release development maps and documents related to compensation claims by farmers and land claimants. The DENR EMB Region 3 has warned against the increasing amount of garbage clogging waterways across Central Luzon. Regional Director Martin Despi described the situation as an alarming wake-up call for local governments and communities. The agency urged the public to practice proper waste disposal and segregation while calling for stronger cooperation among local governments and households to prevent waterways from becoming clogged, especially during the rainy season. A man was rescued after falling into the San Pedro Santa Monica Dam in Floridablanca, Pampanga on August 10. Rescue teams immediately responded and successfully recovered the man. Floridablanca Mayor Michael Galang reminded residents to stay away from rivers and dams amid continuous rainfall. And those are the top stories across Central Luzon. I am Arnie Mendoza. For more news, updates, and public service information, keep it here on CLTV36 News.